this is Partner Charm here, and I'm gonna give you a quick TA on Bitcoin right now. We have broken the triangle. Remember, this is not a financial advice. You should trade at your own risk. But here it is. Let's get to the TA here. Now, I pull the fib from the bottom here to the top here, okay, and measure this down right here. Now, I think that this could be the first wave over here. Now, a lot of people count the wave until here and then the pullback, right? I just think that the second wave is too shallow. I just think it's too shallow. So, I do think that this is not the first wave here. The first wave starts from here, second. So, I pull the fib like that and see how it touched the 2618, right? It shows that usually the usual where the third wave or the end of the wave lands. Okay, now I want to measure this here to here. I believe that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is, and it's bent flat and everything, truncated C wave, and then bam. Okay, and then we had a pullback here. Right, this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First wave here. Second wave, this impulse down is truncated. Okay, so 1, 2, it's an expanded flat here. No, it's a running flat here. Okay, so I just put it as a running flat here. Okay. Now I'm gonna measure the first wave here, and then I'm gonna measure this last bottom here. Sorry, this here. Okay, you see how it tagged the 175, right? So you know what I'm trying to say is, okay, let's remove the first count. Okay, what I'm saying is this move here. Okay, I measured it here from here to here to here as a running flat here. Okay, and then we get a leading back now. Okay, the third wave always land here for sure. It's gonna land here. So it tells me that this internally it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's done, and we have a fourth wave, and we are heading to second wave. Okay. Now this is the first structure here. Okay, this is the first structure here, right? Makes sense. Absolutely makes sense. Now, which only means, okay, that we have another 3 wave down. Okay, back to the triangle region here. Usually it comes back to the triangle here. Now we remeasured this one. Okay, you see how it took the 3618. You see how this ended up passes 2618. Okay, so which means this internally we still have a fifth way up, and here it is a 1, 2, and this whole structure is probably third wave, and then the fourth wave down here, and then the fifth wave up here. Okay, fifth wave here. Bring us to 14,000. Okay, now it could also tag the line here. So what line is this? This is a gun fan I pulled. Okay, this is a gun fan I pulled from 20k. Okay, so what I'm saying that we might tag this gun fan line. Okay, now I talk about equalizer here, right? If we get an up move here like that, right? If I pull it to here, you can see it's quite identical with this count. Okay, with this count we are identical. Just look at that. So what does this make us? What is this? Right? It's confusion, right? So this is a bullish count. Okay, this is a bullish count that I'm looking for it to make a flat, right? And then we go to 0. Okay, we go to 0 like that. Over here, copy. Okay. Well, almost 0. No, I just think that maybe we could double bottom here like that as well. 2,000. Doesn't have to be accurate like that, right? So this is an equalizer to this one. Okay, this could be an expanded flat, and then pull back, some sort of pull back, and then it could come down here as well. Okay, now this is the bullish count. Now what about the bearish count here? Okay. Let me remove that. Okay. Let's go to the... Okay. Now what is the bearish count here? Okay. We're not looking at a triangle. It shapes like it looks like it, but it's not. Okay. It's just going up for the retracement. Let's say that this move is finished. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Didn't break the rule. Looks good to me. Okay. 3 wave up, 3 wave down, and then impulse up. So where do we land? Okay. Let me measure that nicely. Pull it nicer. So where do we land? Okay. We can land it on 9,800. We can also as well land on the 9680. Okay. Right. So if we land here on the 1-to-1, right, we could take a shot there. If we see the pattern, you see how it reached the 0.5. We may also can go up to 9,800 and wick down really quick. So it's fine that Bitcoin pumps to here. Okay. So what does it mean? It means that from here, the bottom here, to see where it lands. And now I'm gonna bet it's gonna do some kind of a double top here maybe, or maybe a fake out to the 1-to-1 extension here. Okay. To the 618 over here, like that. 618, or okay. So if we get an up move like that, okay, then where would Bitcoin go? I believe Bitcoin could go back to 2,000. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look like. Okay, so it's gonna look like that. Okay, we're gonna hit the somewhere around here. We're gonna consolidate really long, right, before coming down. It's gonna take forever. Okay, it's gonna take back all of it. Okay, it's gonna look like that. The size of this time taken to consolidate over here, it's gonna be equivalent 2 times here. Okay, it's gonna take forever. So if you wanna play this, right, it's gonna be scalpy. Okay, it's gonna absolutely be scalpy. Let's come back down here, and then here, and then here, or maybe lower. 1,000. Double bottom, and then huge pump, and then continue down. Okay. So this is the bearish count. Okay. The time taken here, it's gonna double up, or maybe cut down. Okay. It can double it, or it can cut down. Okay. Back to 2K, or maybe we get some kind of a truncated one, or maybe a double bottom here. Not sure how we're gonna get this, but this is a possible, as long as the wave 4 does not retrace, does not touch the wave 1. Okay, if it does, then I expect that it's an ending diagonal like that. So the if it touches the wave 1, then it's fine. It's gonna be a huge one like that, ending diagonal. Okay, this is the bear count. So anything can happen over here. We are waiting for the wave 2 to finish. Okay. So in my Telegram group, guys, if you want to join my Telegram group, please click the link below. There's link down below for you to join all of this channel. We talk about it, and and I posted my thoughts. Okay, I posted the bearish, and I said question. I said that the crazy ultra bear count question is the wave 2 finished. Wave 2, which is this one. Okay, so if it's not finished. So we have 3 options here. I posted, okay. So it could go up to 9,677 as another triangle correction before coming down. Or we could have an ABC up and then retrace down, making a huge, bigger triangle before going up. Okay. Or we could do an ABC up to here, to this region. But we broke here already, So I am guessing that we might go higher, making this as A, B, C. Making this one as a one wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if it breaks this, if it goes to 1618, then it's impulse up. It's gonna impulse up, which is exactly what I posted here. Okay, if it breaks out, let's go to a small time frame here, 1 hour. Let's take a look. Let me tell you what I think. Okay, so now this is a leading diagonal, right? This is the pullback. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probably hit here and come down and go for the fifth wave. Okay, so it could be a leading diagonal like that. Okay, could be as well. Right, possible. Okay, guys. So, which means this is A, B, C. Okay. So most likely we're gonna retrace here. Okay, so let's see what's gonna happen. For sure that you're gonna see some wick down. Okay. So if this finished like that, we're gonna short here. We're definitely gonna take the short here. The reason that why I would take the short here because the GAN analysis, right? Let me pull up the chart with the GAN fan here. Okay. Now, if you take a look on this GAN fan here on the daily, right? I want to mention this because my friend Chosen here, he said that we have possibility that we might hit this trend line again. Okay. Every time we hit it, we comes down. Okay. Every time we hit it, we comes down. So now, if you take a look here on the daily, we did hit it. Okay, let me remove this. We did hit it, then we came down. Okay. Now we might retest here one more time, and guess what? Guess what, guys? It is exactly around 9,600 area. We might wick up and come down, just like that. Look at that. We might as well hit it and come down as well. Okay, so this is what the gun says. Possibility that we might go to 9,600. Okay, guys. So usually it stands here. So now if we were to break out higher, let's say it doesn't stop, we break out higher. Okay, I mean make until 14K, just like I explained. Now the gun guy said, the gun analysis said, if we go up right now to 14K, right, and touch this line, most likely BTC after we get here, right, it's gonna go zero. And I said that probably not, and then he said that it's most likely if we go 14K, we're gonna go to zero, right? So I took the consideration, thinking that maybe we're just gonna hit the 1-to-1, 618. No, the 1-to-1 is around here. Okay, so I was thinking maybe we could hit maybe we could do a double top here, right? But it doesn't make sense that the structure doesn't look like it's gonna go to 14K right now. Okay, but it's possible. It's possible. You know, I've counted the wave count earlier for you guys to see. Okay, so that's what I think. So let's see what we get on the reaction on the 9,600, and it shall wake up. But anyway, we will try and take the trade on 9,600. It shouldn't close on 9,600. If it close on 9,600, if it close here beyond this 1-to-1 fan, then it's probably bullish. Then we will know that Bitcoin is gonna go to zero for sure, he said. So let's just wait out, and I hope that we come down, okay, so that we could play Bitcoin for some time. If it goes up, then we have chance that the Bitcoin is gonna go zero. Alright, guys, so stay safe, and let's see what we get. You know, I would trade the market, but it's very hard to predict here. Something happened here, so I didn't took long, but it's something happened here, so let's just wait and see what the market shows us. Alright, guys, stay safe, and this is Panda-chan, and hope that you get value from my technical analysis here, and you like it. Please subscribe to my channel here, and like it, and comment down below. And also you may check out our chat room, group chat. You'll be able to share all the the technical analysis over there. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and goodbye.